Well, this is my Verde Cadet. Pretty nice bike. Got some cool stickers on it. Well, the handlebars, well, the grips, they're okay. They're duo doils. They kind of wear off real easy. You can kind of already see it starting to happen. And it has the wheels, 20-inch, but they're kind of crappy wheels because they don't have a brand or anything. The rims are no good. I mean, on mine, I already dented them from just doing a bunny hop up a curb. Well, pedals, plastic, it has free spin. The seat, I don't know what's with it. It's plastic and it doesn't raise at all, so it's kind of like really low, that far away from the wheel and everything. But let's see. Here's one of the dents. Yeah, another one is right there. But it's pretty lightweight. And then it's pretty good. Can do some good tricks on it and everything, as you'll see in some of my later videos. So that's the Verde Cadet.